Good morning, children. We have done lesson 29 stories. Today I am going to tell you the details of the lesson. Means these are the characters of the different fairy tales. You were small, you would have read many types of fairy tales, and these are the characters of famous fairy tales. You would have read Cinderella, story of Cinderella, or heard story of Cinderella, Frog Prince, Big Bad Wolf. This story is in our English book also, and Goldilocks and Bears. This story is also in our English book, but the name is little different. That is Curly Locks and Bears. Okay, so Pinocchio, Hansel and Gretel, Little Mermaid, Red Riding Hood, very famous story. So such stories you would have read or heard by your parents or grandparents, or you would have read in the books. So these are the characters of the different fairy tales. This is Pinocchio, this is Frog Prince, this is Red Riding Hood, this is Cinderella, and this is Rapunzel, this is Hansel and Gretel, Goldilocks and Three Bears, Big Bad Wolf, Thumbelina, Little Mermaid, Hansel and Gretel. So all these are the different characters in the stories. Like you see the movies, in the movies you see hero, heroine, and parents of hero, heroine, mother, father, sister, brother, or you see villain in the stories, in the movies. So same kind in the stories there are different characters. On these characters the story is based. So I have written names here. You please write the names and learn the names. Okay. Now today we will be doing lesson 30. These are the rhymes. They were stories. These are rhymes. In the rhymes also there are different characters. Different characters, or in easy language we can say different people in the rhymes, or different objects in the rhymes, or different animals in the rhymes. Okay, so here is Old MacDonald had a. In this poem, what did you learn or you heard? Old MacDonald had a zoo, or had a farm, or had a garden. So the right answer is Old MacDonald had a farm. So we will put tick here on the farm. Number 2, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. So Jack and Jill went to fetch water in a pail. In a pail of water. Means not in a jug, not in a mug, in a pail. Pail is a kind of bucket. Next is Wee Willie Winky runs about in his pajamas? No. Overcoat? No. Nightgown? Yes. Wee Willie Winky runs about in his nightgown. This is a nightgown. Fourth number is Polly put this on the fire. Polly put, what did she put on the fire? Kettle or teapot or pot? Kettle. Little Jack Horner was eating his what? Christmas cake, Christmas pudding, or Christmas pie? Little Jack Horner was eating his Christmas pie. Miss Muffet was scared by a cockroach, or a spider, or a bee. Miss Muffet was scared by a spider. My dame has lost her slipper, or her socks, or her shoe. My dame has lost her shoe. Mary's garden has silver bells and cockle shells, deep wells, or copper bells. Mary's garden has silver bells and cockle shells. So these words were used in the poem. exact these words are used in the poem. So please children, if you do not know the correct word, please write on the word and learn them. Okay, we will meet in the next GK class. Bye bye.